Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I want to tell you all about these shoes that my husband just loves. My husband's a little bit picky when it comes to the type of shoes that he wears, and he has kind of strangely shaped feet. So it's really important to him to find something that's comfortable, but is also going to be stylish. We got this pair of smoky gray lace-up shoes from SDONY, and they go with so many different things that he owns. He's been able to wear them dressed up with a nice suit, or dressed down with just a pair of jeans, and they both look great with these shoes. My husband normally wears men's size 10.5, but when we read the size guide, since these only come in whole numbers, we went ahead and sized up to an 11, and they fit him really well with either just a thin dress or work sock. Aesthetically, my husband really loves the two-tone color, and especially the inside lining with the plaid. These shoes also come in a couple of other colors that are really nice. The other thing we really appreciate about these shoes is that he's able to remove the insoles and put his orthotics in. And it doesn't cause the shoe to be too tight like it will sometimes when you put orthotics into a shoe. My husband recently wore these to a wedding, and he even danced, and they stayed comfortable the whole time. Overall, we're just really pleased with how these look, but especially how comfortable they are, and that's our point of view.